I have seen people make millions of money doing dropshipping business in Nigeria. I know a few of them, right? These guys are pulling in millions every month by selling products that they do not own, that they do not stock. Do you understand? I see them putting a lot of work, and every month they are pulling in millions of naira by simply doing dropshipping business. So in this video, right, this is like unlike any other video you've seen on the internet. In this video, I'm going to share with you the complete beginner's guide to a successful dropshipping business here in Nigeria, and this same blueprint can work across different African countries. Okay, it is just that simple. So if you want to learn how to make millions of naira every month doing dropshipping business in Nigeria or in your country, as the case may be, then you have to watch this video to the end. Watch every step of this video, because I'm going to try as much as possible to outline the nitty gritty, to outline the important steps you need to take. If you miss any of these steps, you might find yourself struggling. I understand that people make there are people who struggle to make sales doing dropshipping. They probably some make 50,000, 20,000, 100,000. I see that in as time wasting, honestly, because if you do drop shipping the right way, you are going to make a whole lot of money every month, right? The least you should be targeting is maybe 700, 800,000 in a month for beginners, if you actually put in the work and do exactly as I'm going to teach you. Okay, let's start with what drop shipping is. Then I'm going to give you 7 points. We're going to list 7 points that you have to take to get into this dropshipping business and start making money. Okay, so number one, first thing first, before I even get to number one, first thing first, dropshipping is a business model where products bought from an online store, which is you are the online store owner. So dropshipping is a business model, an e-commerce business model where products bought from an online store are delivered directly to customers by the supplier or by the manufacturer of the product. Yes, the products are bought from you, but it is the supplier that fulfills the product. But in the Nigerian space, if you want to make money, when it comes to fulfillment, you have to take off the supplier and handle it. I'll get to that point where I teach you how to do this one, because many people make mistakes in this area. This is the simple dropshipping business model. 3 steps. Step one, a customer places an order for an item. It's not payment on delivery. They pay before you deliver. You understand? That's the beauty of dropshipping. The customer has to pay before you deliver. So step one, a customer sees an item and they place an order and they pay for that item. Let's take for instance the item is 100,000 naira and their profit on that item is 25,000 naira. Oh, okay. Maybe an item is $100 and your profit is $25 or $20, as the case may be. The customer pays you $100. You take your $25 and then you send $75 to the supplier. So this is the customer here who places an order in your store with $100. Then you take $25 and send 75 to supplier. Supplier packages the product and sends to the customer. So you are the middleman who facilitates the connection of the customer and the supplier. The customer does not know the supplier. The customer knows you. You know the supplier. So the person pays you 100K. You take 25K off, which is your own. Then you send 75K to the supplier. The supplier packages the product and sends to the customer. Easy money, cool cash, but it takes a lot of work. All right. It takes a lot of work. So in dropshipping business, you don't keep inventory. Yes, you don't keep inventory. You don't buy products with your money. You buy products with customers' money because they've already paid you. Unlike the e-commerce model where people hustle, that blah blah blah. It is easy to start. This one is easy to start, but it requires a lot of work and patience, because the customer will not just pay you 200K or 100K just like that. So it requires a lot of work and patience for you to start manifesting and start making money. Now we are going to go into the 7 points. So if you have a pen and paper, bring it out and take notes. Number one, decide on what product or item that you want to drop ship. Decide on the product or the item that you want to drop ship. Okay. Maybe you want to drop ship sneakers, not cheap sneakers, not sneakers of 20,000 or 30,000. No, sneakers of higher quality. There is a market for that. There are people who buy those stuff. All right. Just decide. I don't know what you want to drop ship. It could be that you want to start drop shipping, say, furnitures. All right, furnitures. Back in the days, I think that was 2000 and, 2017, I've sold furnitures. Funny, that's a very funny experience. I sold furnitures in Alaba. I'm not a furniture store owner. I don't produce furniture, but I've sold like sets, chair sets, sofa sets, dining set, and stuff like that. I made some good money. I will not say it's a lot of money, but then it was a lot of money for me. But I know you get the point. So decide on what products to sell. It could be electronics. It could be air conditioner, AC. You- I'm taking your mind out of the ordinary. I'm taking your mind out of selling thrift, selling jeans, selling shirts, t-shirts, polo. What is it called again? No, 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 no. We are not. See, we are talking of making millions, not small money. So if you want to make millions, you have to talk in products that can give you millions. So number one, decide on the product or item to drop ship. Number two, find suppliers for your products. That product you wish to drop ship, you to sell, find supplier. Now, this is not time where you tell me, oh, but I live in Enugu, or but I live in Aba. Suppliers are in Lagos. Go to Lagos. You want to make money, don't you? So don't tell me but I'm in Abraka. These things can only be in Abuja and Lagos. Go there. Spend 1 week there. Call a friend. I'm coming. I want to spend 1 week with you, please. Or call a family. Find a way. When there is a will, there has to be a way. Go there. Find the supplier, meet them one on one, not phone call. Stop. We're talking money. No, you have to negotiate. You need to have an agreement with your supplier. You have to build a good relationship with them because at some point they'll be giving you stuff on credit. I know what I'm telling you. I've had suppliers who on trust are giving product worth millions, tens and 20 and 30s of millions of naira on credit, on trust, because of the good relationship we have and because of the long. I've been very, very open and clear to them, right? If you don't build relationship with your suppliers, you're not going to make it in this business. Oh. And you need to have more than one supplier. Oh. Because if you have only one supplier and then the product is in high demand and the supplier does not have, or the supplier disappoints you or changes plan at any time, you will be stuck. He will be disappointed. You will be out of money, right? So you need to have more than one supplier. Go there, build good relationship with the supplier and with the boys or girls selling for him or her, right? Get their phone number so that you can always take pictures and videos and you can always request for them to make videos and send to you. The customer says, I love this product. Can I see the back? Can you turn it, do this? And you don't have the video. Simply call them, I beg, please just do this video for me and send to me. I have a customer. They will do it for you. Why? Because you have a rapport with them. So live wherever you are. Leave that Enugu or leave that Aba, leave that Oka, leave that Abraka for 1 week only. Go to your supplier. Okay? Go to Lagos. 1 week, go to Lagos. Use that your 1 week well. Go to all the markets that has the product you want to meet suppliers. All the market that has the product you want to drop ship. Go to that market, meet suppliers, have an agreement, build relationship, collect numbers from their boys and girls that sell for them. Take a lot of videos and pictures. Fill up your gallery with videos and pictures. Save it on your phone. Now you're ready for what? Step three. If you want to make millions of naira monthly, you should sell product that has a high profit margin. Like I said, this is not the time for you to start selling jeans and thrift and cheap handbags. And the handbags that they sell 5,000, 15,000. If you sell handbag 15,000, how much is your profit? People already know how much they sell it. Why not have an online store where people come for electronics for AC? All the air conditioners in my house, I have up to about four of them or three of thereabout in my house, both the standing units, both the wall, both the split, everything. I have never visited the store of the person that sells it to me. She's one young girl, my student also. She may be watching this video, right? I simply found her video where she was educating people on difference between inverter and non-inverter, how to select the bright AC, how to blah blah blah. So I spent over how many millions of naira buying AC from her. I don't know her shop. I don't know where she collects money with her own account number, her own account name, her personal account. If she was not making those content, if she was not selling that kind of product, I don't know how much profit she has made. But so when someone sells a product that is above 400,000, 700,000, a million naira thereabout, you should know that their profit is not 5,000, it's not 10,000. It's some good money at least. If you want to make millions of money monthly, you should sell products that has a high profit margin. Stop wasting you're not getting younger. Stop wasting your time with selling shoes of 7,000. Then your profit is 500 naira. Who does that? Do you know how much is house rent? You don't want to eat well. You don't want to buy cars. Please, oh, this takes us to number 4. Create a solid social media presence for your new business. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, right? Like this video because I need more people to get to see this video. We need to help more people. The economy is not smiling. People are going through a lot. But I believe that people can start something for themselves by watching my video and getting inspired, right? So please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I publish helpful videos like this one. The next one is that you have to create a social media presence for your new business. Yes, the lady that I buy my AC from, if I come across anybody that wants to buy AC, I'll simply give them a number and say, I trust her. Any amount she tell you buy. That's it. They will buy. If you search for her on TikTok, she's there. Search for her on Instagram, she's there. Her profile is solid, well built. She educates people on different reasons why you should buy this type of AC, this type of AC, this TV. You have to connect this AC. Not Don't connect it direct to the socket. Use AVS so that you can always protect your AC from getting burnt if there's a currency surge. She shares these information for free. People are always coming to her page to get information, to ask her, okay, you have this one, how much? How much? And when she delivers, she's the one that delivers it by herself in Lagos. Funny thing, she delivers by herself in Lagos. When she delivers, she makes videos. She posts so that people will know that she's not playing here. She has a solid social media presence. I'll give her a shout out. Let me check Instagram right now to see AC air conditioner. AC. I think her account is Starlight or thereabouts. Yes, Starlight underscore electronics. Yes, Starlight underscore electronics underscore. So you can check it out on Instagram. Starlight underscore electronics underscore. You can see what she's doing. If you need AC, reach out to her. She has amazing air conditions, washing machine, gas cooker. She has a lot. She has a lot of stuff. And I'm very proud of her, right? I'm very proud of her. So yes, create a solid social media presence. Don't just start the business today and expect customers today. Post videos, educate people, inform people, post helpful videos. Don't just post dummy pictures or just any video without any direction. No. If you want to make millions, you have to do the work. Post helpful videos. Go to the store, make videos, stand in front of the store, say, this is our store. As you can see, let me show you around. We have this here. We have this frame. This frame is going for 100,000. This frame is going for this. Okay, we have this refrigerator. We have this chair. These are dining sets. You can see this dining set is durable. It's blah, blah, blah. It's going for 570,000. This one is going for 800,000. These are dining sets. This is marble made in Italy. These are sofa. Go there, make videos. People have to see you and believe that yes, you are running this business. They don't have to know that it's drop shipping. They will not know. Let them believe you're running the business. Create a solid social media presence. There's money online if you do the right thing. Number 5, start online promotion for the products, right? Run adverts. Run adverts. I cannot emphasize on this enough. I've created a lot of videos on how to run successful Facebook, Instagram ads and thereabout and all of those stuff. So run adverts to attract more people. The more people see your products, the more you are going to make sales, right? The higher chances of making sales. So since you now have good products, good supplier, you have a strong social media presence, a solid one with good videos, quality content, videos of information, education, videos of showing your display, your product in action. If somebody purchases but it's not you that sold, but they're going to deliver, follow them, make video that we sold this. They will believe that it's you, but they don't have to know it's not you. Apply wisdom. Wisdom. Wisdom need to dey smell around you. So start online promotion, run adverts to attract more customers. All right. Number six, use Instagram and WhatsApp effectively. You have to post on your status or be story. What's it called? Every day. If you run Instagram advert, let the customer have your number and save it. Try as much as possible to make them save your number so that you can save theirs. So that you don't have to be spending money on advert all the time. Sometimes you can just sell by simply posting on your status or your stories. So use Instagram, use WhatsApp, use TikTok. TikTok has a lot of free reach. Use TikTok. Don't play. Don't sleep on TikTok. Or use TikTok effectively. In fact, I think I'm going to make a video on how to run TikTok adverts. But for now, that's not the main point. Use TikTok effectively. All right. Use Instagram. Use WhatsApp. Use TikTok. Use TikTok. I'm saying it now because I know you have coconut head. You're not here. Use TikTok every day to promote your business. Use TikTok every day to promote your business. All right? To promote your business. Yes. Use TikTok every day to promote your business. It has a lot of free organic reach. Number seven, handle the delivery yourself. See, don't leave it to your supplier unless it is interstate delivery. In drop shipping, the idea is when a customer orders, you send to supplier, supplier send to customer. Supplier can delay all these things. You don't want plenty English and plenty grammar. You want to build trust, yeah? You want to build trust with your customers. If you are selling items that can be delivered via bike, just when you send the money to the supplier, tell the supplier that you are sending a rider now. Contact there's a Go Rider now, abi Go Kada. There is a Uber. Uber has a ride. Boat has ride. All these things have ride. Book the Okada, not the car. Book the ride. They will go and pick up. Put their address, put phone number of supplier. They will go there, call them, pick up, and deliver to the customer. If it is within the state, but if it is interstate, you can agree with somebody or let the supplier handle it. They will just send it to the park, and from the park they will deliver to that state, or just find a reliable, make arrangement with a logistics service that is efficient, but find a way to be involved. Don't exclude yourself. You are talking millions. Find a way to be involved in the business and make a lot of money doing this business. If you are involved, it will be more efficient and effective. You will build a lot of trust. Customers will start using word of mouth to spread your goodness, to spread your effectiveness. Find a way to handle delivery. It will be faster, it will be more efficient, it will build more trust. Trust is the baseline upon which businesses sustain and grow. If people don't trust you, they will not do business with you. But if they trust you, they will buy again, they will tell their parents, their friends, their colleagues, their family, they will buy from you. Find a way to handle your logistics. If not, I know what I'm saying, right? So yes, those are the 7 steps. Once you follow these 7 steps, I guarantee you are going to start smiling to the bank. Thank you for watching this video. Please like. If you have any question, the comment section is open. I will answer your question, I promise. Ask me in the comment section. Share this video with as many people you find it helpful, to sit at home mom, to students, to those who have graduated and looking for work. Share the video. Connect with me via social media. My name is Courage Ngele on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, everywhere. It is Courage Ngele. All right. Remember, the step 1 to step 7 are very crucial. Follow it, implement it, and I assure you, your life will change in a couple of months. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.